All right, I wanted to take a second to explain the sentence builder daily classwork for today. I will have a short little video reading the sentence, so the student will listen to the sentence and then they are going to build it. So I will read, "I sit on the blue blanket." They can listen to that as many times as they need to, repeat it back to themselves. Then they will come on here and they will drag and drop the words of the sentence down into this long area, this blank area. So and they'll repeat the sentence to themselves. I sit. So they're going to look to see which of these words is sit. Then they will drag that and fill up this area with the words to make the sentence, repeating it back to themselves. Then they can, click on each one as they read it and listen to see if they got it correct. Next, then they can draw a picture to match. So I want them to understand what they're reading, comprehend what they're reading. So I sit on the blue blanket. So they would come back up here, and there's different drawing tools that they can use. So for instance, I sit on the blue blanket. So I want to draw myself. We've talked about in Writer's Workshop ways to use shapes to draw ourselves. So I'm just going to, and obviously this does not need to be a perfect picture because we're drawing on the computer. So I just want to see that they understand what they're reading. So I have my head. I'm going to click off of there. I'm going to use a triangle for looks like a dress. That over. And so they can just continue to draw simple shapes to use to make their body. It says, I sit on the blue blanket. So the blanket, I could draw, use a rectangle to draw. I'm just going to draw a big rectangle, and there's my blanket. I can make that blue because I can just click right on there. I can fill it with blue and make it a blue blanket. And obviously they can add as much detail as they want to it, but just so I understand that they know what they're reading. And then I will show you how to turn that in so that I can see their work as well. Also, if drawing on the computer or iPad or tablet, whatever you have, is a little too difficult for them, they can always just draw it on a piece of paper. You can take a picture and I will show you how to attach that to the assignment, and you can just turn it in that way as well. And I will show you how to attach a picture.